Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing me being wrong. And sometimes it's good when I'm wrong. In fact, in this situation, I think it was very good. My speculation, my sort of conjecture on Thai tourist visas was that there was going to be this 500,000 baht or 17,000 US dollar requirement on Thai tourist visas, specifically from the US, but same thing appeared to be the case with respect to the UK. And that appears to have been repealed. Now, if you go back to my video when we first started discussing this, I presumed that we were going to be looking at this for at least a couple of quarters, sometime well into 2021. That appears not to be the case, and boy, am I happy to be wrong, because this is certainly good news for tourism here in Thailand. It's certainly good news for folks that want to return to Thailand. It's just good news all around. Again, and I've stated this previously in other videos, I tend to look at things from the standpoint of hope for the best, plan for the worst. And my thinking at the time that this came out was basically, look, they don't just promulgate these regulations willy-nilly, and I don't think they did in this situation. I think what we're looking at is sort of a phased-in easing of requirements associated with immigration to Thailand. They started off with a higher threshold and brought it down. And now we have the situation that we're in. Again, I couldn't be happier that my prediction was incorrect, because I think it's a good thing for all concerned. That stated, it was a prediction based on my best estimates as to what they were doing at the time. In a certain sense, there's kind of a reading of the tea leaves associated with trying to predict certain aspects, especially of Thai immigration policy. It's also the case for U.S. immigration policy. Sometimes it's difficult to try to foresee exactly what, especially in an administrative context, what folks are going to do as circumstances present themselves. So, I can't state enough how happy I am to have been wrong under these circumstances, that we're not stuck with this 500,000 baht requirement into the foreseeable future. Hopefully, we'll see further easing, especially with respect to quarantine times, so that hopefully Thailand can see some tourism resume in the days and weeks ahead.